for my prince. I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a great big hug. Give me a hug. Hug and a kiss. Me to you. Want to say you love me too. What's that now? What's that? Is that? What did you do today? Huh? Did you do something fun today? Yeah? What's going on? Up? Up? Up, my baby. My baby. What's up, Pablo? What you doing? Hug? Come on, hug. 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 Oh, hug, baby, hug. I love you. I love you. You behave today, Papa Love? Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah, you're a good boy, huh? Hug. You wanna sing with me? Wanna sing with me? Wanna sing? I don't have anything. I don't have a treat for you. You still have your food there. Look, you didn't eat. You didn't eat your food. It's organic. You don't like organic anymore? You don't like it? It's real food. It's real food. Yeah. You want the human food, huh? You want the beef, the chicken. You don't like this one. You don't like this one. Huh. Yeah. It's made in USA. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you. You want some steak, huh? You want some baked chicken. You want some ground beef. Organic, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I love you. What you doing now? Oh no. You know I'm going to sing, huh? You're dead? You don't want me to sing? You don't want me to sing? I love you. You love me. We are happy family with a great big hug. Hug. You don't want me to sing? No singing? No singing? Ah, okay mo. Oh my God. You want something? You want something? You want something? You want something? You like it, Papa? Wow!